Hello everyone! Start off by taking multiple ribbons and then stick them in this almost square-like shape in an entire circle until you make a rose-like design. Now take some more red cloth, make multiple folds in the center as such and then fold it on either side and then stitch it up as such. Now make a V-shape cut at the base and then take a longer skirt and then add it at the base as such. Make multiple folds on this as well in order to make it look like a beautiful gown. Take some black material as such, it can be of a satiny type, and then make folds on either end. Use pins in order to keep the folds in place. Now on top of the left side folds, add another piece of cloth and then begin to make vertical folds on this portion as well. Cut off the excess piece and then make a V shape at the top, add 2 strips at the top as well. Now at the base, add a long skirt to it. Add multiple layers and folds to it. Next, we will take a yellow cloth in strips and then make a heart shape out of it as such. The bottom will be of a V shape and then line it with bedazzlement. At the base, you may add a skirt. Make it a flowy long skirt and then add the gems to the base as well. Now make a diagonal cut to the bottom of your skirt and then this will be the final look. The middle will be shorter than the sides as such. Next, we will take some blue material cloth, put it straight across as such. Now take the bottom portion and then fold it as such. Take another piece of blue cloth, add this on top of it and then add it on one of the shoulders. Now taking this, begin to spin it round and round until you make a flower-like design. At the base, put a tightly put skirt as such. Make folds in order to make it exactly fit the waist as need be and then make the base knee length. Next, take the steel colored cloth and then make a heart shaped at the top. Afterwards, add some more cloth to one of the sides and then begin to make folds on it. Use pins in order to make it stay in place. Do the same onto the other side and then cut off the excess portion of it, and on top, it should look a bow-like fashion. At the base, you may add a long skirt to it and then make sure that it is flowy. Cut off the excess as you can see that we have done as well. Make folds in the skirt as well. Next, we will start off by taking a black skirt. Tie it around the waist as such and then add some cloth at the top as well. Make the top cut into a heart shape. Now, taking the rest of the cloth around the waist area, begin to make multiple folds out of it and then add multiple pins in order to fasten it in its place. Now, make multiple folds at the base as such and pin it up right in the center, and after you have done this, proceed to do the same at the back as well. Cut out the excess back portion that is present. Pin it up at the back before you do so. Now, taking the left side, that is the unpinned side, do the same design there as well. Before this, take the skirt portion of it at the bottom and then pin this up at the back as well. Pin it up along with it so that you form a uniform layer. Now make a slit right through the center and then take the second portion, that is the portion that you haven't made the folds out of, and begin to do the same on this side as well. Join it together in the front in the waist portion of it, and now take the back portion and then pin it up at the back as well. Take the excess amount that is left out and then remove one of the pins that is present, wrap it right around the waist and then clip it up at the back. Now take a pair of scissors and then make a diagonal cut through the skirt as such. Now do this all the way to the other side as you can see that we have done. This will be the final look of our black dress. Thank you for watching.